Hey guys! Today, we're diving into some awesome new features of AI agents. First up, let's check out Keyword Spy, a tool that lets us find and analyze ads based on specific keywords. All we need to do is enter a keyword. Let's start with sneakers. Boom! The keyword is added to our list. Now, just click on it. And voila! Here we go. Ads specifically targeting the keyword sneakers. Super cool, right? Now, let me show you another powerful sub-feature. While entering keywords, you can apply filters like ad status, region, and more, making your analysis even sharper. Next, let's check out Brand Spy. Here, we can track ads from specific brands. Let's try Puma. And just like that, we've got Puma's ads right here ready to analyze. Check it out. See? Competitor analysis just got a whole lot easier. Try these features out and let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI-powered insights.